look at the carbon fiber selfie stick from TELESIN for the Insta360 camera, and you can use it for any other camera as well, like an action cam or a 360 cam. Now it comes with this very nice carrying pouch, so you can just use it to protect it if you want to. I'm just gonna leave it for now. And it also comes with a mount, standard mount for a GoPro, so I'm not gonna use a GoPro, so I'll just take it off. Now this selfie stick has got a lot of different parts, and when you just hold it by your hand, I mean when it's in closed position, you can actually hear a lot of rattling sound inside. Don't worry, it's not broken. Okay, so it basically has a lot of different cylindrical parts, so when you stretch them out, they all stay together. Okay, so I'm just gonna mount the camera here. I'll keep this GoPro mount here. Right now, once it is mounted, that's the easiest way to pull it out, because it's a little bit stiff. So give a little pressure, and that comes the smallest one that is inside. Okay, so when I take out the first section, you will see that it has two sections by itself. Okay, so all these two sections together, and this is made of carbon fiber, so you need to make sure that you put a little pressure on it if needed. Just twist it a little bit just to make it steady so that it won't collapse itself. Right, so I'm going to continue on doing that. So I'll just take the second one. So this comes with 3 different parts. The second section comes with 3 different parts. So I'm just going to make sure that I'm pulling it to the maximum, and I can actually rotate it like so. And then we have the next part. You see already it's too very long. Okay, and that's the last section, and that also has 3 sections, so 1, 2, and 3 here. So let me just pull this all the way. Okay, I'm gonna twist it towards the right. I guess I'm right here. Okay, so I'll just twist it, make sure that it twists to the maximum, and it just locks there. Okay, we have a picture here. It says just some arrows towards both directions. I'm not sure. I think generally for all kinds of selfie stick, it is just twisting to the right side it locks, and twisting to the left side it releases. So I'm just gonna twist everything into to the right side. And now, considering the size, it is really lightweight. Okay, so because it is made of carbon fiber, it is light, but that just makes me question, is it strong enough? We're gonna find out. Okay, so it's stretched to the maximum, and when it is stretched to the maximum, it becomes difficult for us to use the record button, especially when we want to take still pictures. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the mobile app to take the pictures. Also, it's for making videos. Okay, for making videos, it's okay. I can just hit record and just move it and position the way I want it. Okay, so let me show you some shots now. Hey guys, so it's getting dark and becoming more cold, so I had to move to this bigger jacket. Anyway, so those are the pictures and videos taken using the 3-meter long selfie stick. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It is really a good selfie stick. It is strong as it should be, and it is very lightweight because it is made of carbon fiber. So now once we're done with the job, we can actually twist it to the opposite side. So I twist it to the right side to tighten it, and now I'm going to just twist to the left side so it just gets loosened, and then you can just push it in. Yes, so it goes in. And the second one also, I'm going to twist it to the left side, so it should go in now. It's quite tough the first time, I guess, and I'll continue doing the same thing for all of them. So there's like a lot of different pieces, and I think it's better at this point to take out the camera so that accidentally we won't damage it. So I'm gonna take off the camera here. Alright, so I'm gonna just continue doing the same thing, and there it is. Now, when I was just watching other reviews on the selfie stick, Insta360 also has a similar one, but there was one major flaw with that Insta360 selfie stick. Now, this one is very thin compared to the Insta360's 3-meter selfie stick. So because it is thin, the point is, like, when you take a selfie, even a still picture or a video, the selfie stick completely disappears, right? But because the Insta360 one is a bit thicker, sometimes you would see it at the end of your hand. So yeah, so there's an advantage here. That is one of the reasons why I preferred TELESIN's one compared to the Insta360's one. Okay, so that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.